Konnichiwa! Welcome to Heguru India! I'm Hegi, the smallest member of the Heguru family. But today, I have the biggest thank you to say. Mr. Hirotada and Mrs. Henmi, thank you for traveling all the way from Japan to India. You didn't come here just to train our trainers. You came to share your vision, your wisdom, and your love for children. Every lesson you taught, every smile you shared, and every word of encouragement will continue to inspire us. Not only our trainers, but thousands of children. That is the true magic of Heguru. To us, you are more than founders. You are mentors, visionaries, and the guiding light behind a dream that is shaping the future of children. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for inspiring us. And thank you for making here like one global family. As you return to Japan, please know a part of your hearts will always remain here. In every trainer you inspired, in every classroom you visited, and in every child whose future will shine brighter because of your guidance. From all of us at Heguru India, arigatou gozaimasu. This is not goodbye, because family never says goodbye. We simply say, until we meet again, mata aimashou.